204. The national game of Spain is answer bullfighting. Question number 205. The national game of Canada is answer lacrosse. Question number 206. The number of players in the game of Kabaddi are answer 7. Question number 207. The number of players in the game of rugby football are answer 15. Question number 208. Which cricketer is called the Wall? Answer Rahul Dravid. Question number 209. Who is called as Hockey ka Jadugar of India? Answer Major Dhyanchand. Question number 210. Wellington Trophy is associated with answer rowing. Question number 211. Davis Cup and Himlet Cup are associated with answer lawn tennis. Question number 212. The playing area of golf is called answer link green. Question number 213. The playing area of badminton is called answer court. Question number 214. The term chukar and bunker are associated with answer polo. Question 215. How many squares are there in a chessboard? Answer 64. Question number 216. The Football World Cup was first organized in 1930 at answer Uruguay. Question number 217. The headquarters of International Bank for Reconstruction and Development is situated at answer Washington DC, established हुआ था 1946. Question number 218. The headquarters of International Telecommunication Union is situated at answer Geneva, established हुआ था 1947. Question number 219. The Olympic flag was created in answer 1913. Question number 220. Who is known as the father of modern Olympic Games? Answer Pierre de Coubertin. Question number 221. The 5 permanent members of the United Nations Security Council. Answer China, France, Russia, UK and USA. Question number 222. The highest sport awards of India is answer Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Question number 223. The Dronacharya Award is associated with answer sport coach. Question number 224. The first color film in India. Answer Kishan Kanna. Question number 225. First 3D animated film from India is answer Roadside Romeo. Question 226. Borlang Award is given in the field of answer Agriculture Science. Question number 227. G.D. Birla Award is given in the field of answer Scientific Research. Question number 228. The only filmmaker to get Bharat Ratna was answer Satyajit Roy. Question number 229. The headquarters of Miss World is situated at answer London, UK. Question number 230. Who was the first Indian woman to win the Miss World contest? Answer Rita Faria in 1966. Question number 231. The headquarters of Miss India is situated at answer Mumbai. Question number 232. Who was the first woman to win Miss India contest? Answer Esther Victoria Abraham in 1947. Question number 234. The Ramon Magsaysay Award is named after the former president of answer Philippines. Question 235. Who was the first Indian to win the Ramon Magsaysay Award? Answer Vinoba Bhave in 1958. Question number 236. Who was the first Indian to win the World Food Prize? Answer M.S. Swaminathan. Question number 237. The Indian Institute of Remote Sensing is located at? Answer Dehradun. Question number 238. The Indian Space Program was launched in? Answer 1962. Question number 239. Space Commission and Department of Space was established in? Answer 1972. Question number 240. The first heavy water plant was set up in Nangal. Answer 1969. Question number 241. A LAN stand for? Answer Local Area Network. Question number 242. GIS stand for? Answer Geographical Information System. Question number 243. International Literacy Day is observed on which day? Answer September 8. Question number 244. When is World Day for Social Justice observed? Answer February 20. Question number 245. May 8 is observed as? Answer World Red Cross Day. Question number 246. October 14 is observed as? Answer World Standards Day. Question number 247. The Nuclear Proliferation Treaty came into force in? Answer 1970. Question number 248. The Ministry of Utmost Happiness written by? Answer Arundhati Roy. Question number 249. The oldest mutual fund in India is? Answer UTI. Question 250. The latest official language of the UNA? Answer Arabic. Question 251. Which book is called the Bible of Socialism? Answer Das Kapital. Question number 252. Who directed the world famous film Gandhi? Answer Richard Attenborough. Question number 253. The International Monetary Fund came into existence with? Answer Bretton Woods Conference. Okay. The question number 254. Special drawing right SDR facility is available at? स्पेशल ड्राइंग राइट जो फैसिलिटी है कहाँ पर अवेलेबल है? देखिए आंसर होगा इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड IMF. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 255. द UN Secretary General holds office for a period of? Answer 5 years. Okay. Question number 256. In which year did the UN General Assembly adopt Universal Declaration of Human Rights? Answer 1948. Question number 257. The International Criminal Police Organization, Interpol, has its headquarters at? Answer Paris. Okay. Question number 258. The UN flag was adopted by General Assembly. UN flag General Assembly तो कब कुछ टाइम में एडोप्ट किया गया? देखिए आंसर होगा October 20, 1947. क्वेश्चन नंबर 259. WTO या वर्ल्ड ट्रेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बेसिकली प्रमोट क्या करता है? प्रमोट करता है एवं मल्टीलेटरल ट्रेड को प्रमोट करता है. आंसर होगा मल्टीलेटरल ट्रेड. क्वेश्चन 260. द फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन टू गेट एन ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट? आंसर करनाम मालेश्वरी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 261. फ्री थ्रो एक वर्ड है इज गिवन इन द स्पोर्ट? आंसर बास्केटबॉल. ओके. Question 262. In which is the first of the 4 Grand Slam tennis tournament to be held each year? आंसर होगा ऑस्ट्रेलिया. याद रखिएगा पहला जो होता खेला जाता है ऑस्ट्रेलिया ओपन, सेकंड होता है फ्रांस ओपन एवं थर्ड होता है विंबलडन एंड फोर्थ होता है US ओपन. ओके. 4 ग्रैंड स्लैम होता है. इसमें शेष जो होता है वो US ओपन होता है, जो पहला होता है ऑस्ट्रेलिया ओपन होता है. ओके. The question number 263, tram pitcher is associated with answer baseball. Question number 264, which international tennis tournament is held on grass court? Answer Wimbledon. Question number 265, where did the game of chess originate? जो गेम चेस originate कहाँ से हुआ था? आंसर होगा इंडिया. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 266, सुब्रतो क्राप इज एसोसिएटेड विथ हिज स्पोर्ट? आंसर फुटबॉल. याद रखिएगा, सुब्रतो क्राप, संतोष ट्रॉफी और नेहरू ट्रॉफी, ये जो ट्रॉफी है ये सब फुटबॉल से रिलेटेड है. ओके, फुटबॉल से रिलेटेड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 269, Rangaswamy Cup is associated with? Answer hockey. The 2070, the word jump ball is associated with? Answer basketball होगा. Okay. Question number 271, layout shoot is a term associated with which game? Answer basketball. Question number 272, the first World Cup in cricket was held in? Answer 1975. कहाँ पर हुआ था? ये हुआ था इंग्लैंड पे. कौन इसमें विनर था? वेस्ट इंडीज. ओके, याद रखिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 273, कैलिबर इज रिलेटेड टू विच स्पोर्ट? आंसर शूटिंग. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 274, which Grand Slam title is also known as रोलांड गैरोस टाइटल? आंसर फ्रांस ओपन. जो 2020 का जो फ्रांस ओपन किसने जीता था? याद रखें, राफेल नादेल. राफेल नादेल कौन कंट्री से बिलोंग करता है? देखिए, आप इस उत्तर दीजिएगा, कौन कंट्री से बिलोंग करता है? स्पेन. ओके, याद रखिएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 275, हु इज कॉल्ड रावलपिंडी एक्सप्रेस? आंसर शोएब अख्तर. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 276, हु इज कॉल्ड हरियाणा हरिकेन्स? आंसर कपिल देव. Question number 277, Aga Khan Cup is related with which sport event? Answer hockey. Question number 278, which city will host the 2022 Commonwealth Games? Answer Durban, South Africa. Question 279, CK Naidu Cup is associated with which sport event? Answer cricket. Question number 280, Non-Stop India इज रिटन बाय? किसने लिखा? नॉन स्टॉप इंडिया जो बुक था वो किसने लिखा था? आंसर मार्क टूली ने लिखा था. ओके, देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 281, इंडिया द फ्यूचर इज नाउ इज रिटन बाय? किसने लिखा था? इंडिया द फ्यूचर इज नाउ. आंसर शशि थारूर. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 282, ए बेटर इंडिया ए बेटर वर्ल्ड इज रिटन बाय? आंसर नारायण मूर्ति. क्वेश्चन नंबर 283, द आइडिया ऑफ जस्टिस इज रिटन बाय? किसने लिखा था? द आइडिया ऑफ जस्टिस बुक किसने लिखा था? आंसर अमर्त्य सेन. ओके. क्वेश्चन 284, हु हैज ऑथर ऑफ द बुक द किंगडम ऑफ गॉड इज विद इन यू? आंसर लियो टॉल्स्टॉय. क्वेश्चन नंबर 285, द वर्ल्ड ओजोन डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन? आंसर September 18th. ओके, देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 286, वर्ल्ड वाटर डे इज ऑब्जर्व ऑन? आंसर 22nd March. Okay. Question number 287, the World Energy Conservation Day is on? Answer 14 December. Question number 288, World No Tobacco Day is observed? Answer 31st May. The question number 289, the term ecosystem was proposed by? Answer A.G. Tansley. Okay. Question number 290, the term ecology was coined by? Answer Ernest Haeckel. Okay. The question number 291, who gave the theory of natural selection? Answer Darwin. Question number 292, entomology is the science that study? entomology कौन सी साइंस की स्टडी से जो लिंक करता है? देखिए याद रखिए, इंसेक्ट. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 293, एरानोलॉजी इज स्टडी ऑफ? आंसर स्टडी ऑफ स्पाइडर. क्वेश्चन 294, हु इन्वेंटेड क्रोनोमीटर? आंसर John Harrison. Question number 295. DTP stand for answer desktop publishing. Question number 296. What is the full form of ALU? Answer arithmetic logic unit. Question number 297. 1 WAN stand for answer वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क. देखिए LAN जो होगा वो क्या होगा, देन लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क, और मैन क्या होगा, मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. ओके, देखिए मैन स्टैंड फॉर आंसर मेट्रोपॉलिटन एरिया नेटवर्क. आंसर 299. HTML स्टैंड फॉर आंसर हाइपर टेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 300. Who was the first Indian to get Oscar award? आंसर भानु आताथिया.